Tanya, I will give you some questions about cooking and housework.
Okay.
Do you have breakfast at home every day?
No, I don't. I'm the kind of person where I'm not a morning person, so it takes me about, sometimes I don't like to eat anything for about 2 hours after I wake up. I'm just not hungry. Or have the desire to eat anything. I'm trying to get up and get myself up.
What housework do you dislike?
All of it. I don't like to clean the house. I mean, I like to keep my house. I mean, I want my house to be nice and clean, but I don't enjoy it. Now, my mother loves to clean the house. As soon as my mother comes into a house, she starts doing your dishes, picking up, sweeping the floor. She loves it. I don't like it. I'll do it to keep things neat and keep my house nice, but I don't care for it.
What housework do you like?
None. I don't like doing any of it.
I guess you like cooking.
I love cooking. I love cooking, yes. I don't like housework because it's tedious and it's boring and who cares. It's good to play music though sometimes when you clean because that keeps your mind occupied. It makes it more pleasurable. Music makes things better.
I guess you enjoy cooking, that's why you don't consider it as housework.
No, cooking to me is, I love it. I'll think of, sometimes I think at night, like if I have company come over, I'll think it before I go to sleep. Okay, let me think, I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna make that, and then I start, my mind starts expanding, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna make all this stuff.
Okay. Do you want to learn how to cook even better?
I always look for new techniques on how to cook. I like to watch people. I'll watch, sometimes I watch YouTube cooking videos just to see on top chefs on how they do different things and pick up their techniques. Sure. Anything you can always do, improve on things. You're never going to be the best. There's always somebody who's going to top you.
If I hear something new in your speech, I will ask and you will explain.
Sure.
For example, what is pick up new technique?
So pick up a new technique means to learn something. Yeah. So when I say pick up, I mean I want to learn that new skill. So it's like observe. Pick up is observe and learn a new skill.
Okay, thank you. Do you like cooking?
Love cooking.
Who usually does the cooking in your home?
I'm the only person here, so me. If I had a cat, maybe they could, but she doesn't have cooking skills.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook. Actually, I like to cook everything. I don't mind anything somebody likes. I will try to cook that for them. So, like I said, I've been hosting students from different countries for about 9 years now. So sometimes before they get here, I will look up some dishes in their country, and then I will try to emulate them. I will try to cook those for them.
What is look up?
Look up means to go on Google and search for something. Look up means search.
Okay, that's all for cooking and housework. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.